Hi again. Hello, friends. My name is Hariom Vashisht. Today is day, I think, 39, but I'm losing track of the days. And that is where my urgent need for an agent today that that is it's like slowing me down uh, because I have to remember a lot of details in my head. Okay, so that is the question for the day. The question is, do you underestimate, or in other words, let me put it that way. Dear agent builders, you are underestimating the importance of discipline. Dear agent builders, you are underestimating the importance of discipline in everything you do because suddenly the way you do one thing is the way you do everything, and that's a opinion. That's an opinion to a great extent. In some way, because everything is like so deeply connected, we are we are who we are inside and outside. Okay, so I am working on this year long goal with a with the very very clear and very unclear goal to generate $1 million for my clients in the year 2026. I strongly believe that I can optimize funnels at that scale, and I have a portfolio of agents in my kitty now. So let me start from again. So every day I'm doing this live broadcast, at least half an hour, live learning and building both. So while I'm learning few elements of building agents, I'm also uh, deploying my knowledge and documenting my process. That is the important part. Are you documenting the process of your execution of your uh, yeah, execution? So I'm going to share my screen from here. Uh, 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 okay. So this is my home. This is my home. Yeah, this is where it all started, and I got this page about on the 15th of. Uh, I may have date. No, I don't have a date. So point is 15th of January 2026, and I started working on this. Then I documented this whole evolution of things, and I recently added this portfolio. Okay, so I have three in my kitty right now. One is like only half baked. It's a thesis. It's a way I'm reimagining some future in some domain that I have really no experience in actually hiring or getting hired. Or I can say I have a lot of experience in not getting hired. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of thesis. Uh, Not evolving this agent at this moment. This is the so after this agent, what happened is that I thought to build daily use agents rather than do like thinking about something larger than life and not actually being able to do that because it's something beyond I can imagine. Mm. So I came down on the ground. I had to build this agent. I had to build something with the help of Salesforce, which is the ground of what I where I started. About March 2025. Okay, so this I needed a platform to build agents, so I had my own three mistakes of my life. The discipline program, on the top of which I built this new agent. The first agent I needed on this platform was, actually, I think I can have a lot of agents on this platform, but I started with like usable, meaningful, and logical, and it's still incomplete. So it's in iterations. That's on my Salesforce account, and I want to evolve that like right now. But before that, I want to have a system that evolves. Okay, so few days ago, after building this, after I started learning and building on live broadcast. This live broadcast is a very critical part of me because because see, the way I'm exposing the way I think is rare, is really rare, um, and it's so rare that I believe it creates a leverage, right? And that also talks about my poem from patterns to possibilities to prophecy. That's my poem I wrote about in the end of 2025 sometime, and I used no AI while writing this poem. Excuse me. So when I'm talking on this live broadcast, this content creation, this live learning and building, this vulnerable, stupid me, ambitious me, is a version that's actually talking to myself. So I'm talking in the oblivion right now. I usually have no audience, right? Which now actually um, tells me about, you know, like open-ended thinking in my head, to me at least, right? So I have a lot of clarity in my head. I'm just trying to bring it down to documents and thinking with myself. So this is like me time. How do you celebrate your me time? I talk to the camera. Okay. So coming to the point. Now today, the question I posed, the title of this video. Dear agent builders, you are underestimating the importance of discipline. Okay, and that is where I'm now coming back to. I built this agent yesterday. I felt the need to, and like a need of an agent to, what is that, version 0.2 of the form. Okay, that way. Why did I write 0.2 here? This is my custom GPT that I built. Okay, yes, this is where all I'm building this version. So I this version number is like very, very incomplete, or should I say um, unrelated? Or I don't even remember the uh, versioning there. That's what I'm coming back to. So this version number actually shocked me a bit. Uh, so I'm going to my custom GPT, where it all started. So this custom GPT, no. Custom GPT is right here. Oh no. So this custom GPT is like is a is my own creation. It I am using it, but I published it in public so that I it's like again content. Internet remembers, right? So now this version had a has a limitation. So it doesn't have persistent memory, right? Um, I think I want to ask this question in a group of engineers, but before that, I need to publish my today's session on YouTube on some this dashboard from Pipe 4, and I need to copy the link. So if I'll copy the link. It will. This is a weird thing to see. Just copy the link and run. This is a challenge that I gave to myself a few days ago, that I will live broadcast for about half an hour every day. I missed to record the session, like not record, like feed the proof on this platform for 2 days, and that uh, yes also taught me a lot about challenges or things I pick up. Uh, this day 14th was like the laziest, the lazy day where I almost failed. I chose not to do it. I was like, no, I'm too tired. So yes, I failed the challenge. Uh, there was something unique behind this challenge, that I paid to like just challenge myself on live broadcast, and this money was like it was a bet that I will get it back if I will finish the challenge, like no day missing, and I actually missed 3 days, out of which two are like real, not real failures, but they are for the project, for this platform where I challenge myself. It's a failure, right? So I'm not gonna get my money back. I think I'm gonna repeat the same challenge one more time. It's about discipline, right? It is about discipline. So, and I there's something else I want to showcase about discipline. Um, I think Mr. Sidhu recently posted up something about discipline. So I want to look at it, like find it out. Oh no, no. So I'll find out in some other ways. But point is, um, I think I want to take a moment to find out something that I want to come back to, right? So, da-da-da. And this is our like another interesting creative part of, wow. Oh no, like this is a very long article. Experience is now a tax. Okay, not going into this. Let's look at the summary. Oh, we have a auto-created summary here. Let's look at the summary. Experience is now attacks CIOs with no first-hand AI use, decided decide organizations AI ROI, while juniors rapidly prototype and shift abstraction. Seniors defend position with judgment and taste accumulated over decades. Young people learn more from AI in an afternoon than from mentors in a month. Decision algorithms are rewiring, trying new things, offloading retrieval and reversing. Commitments are now radically cheaper, faster with AI. Wow. Reversing commitments are now radically cheaper. Just commit to something, and if it doesn't work, reverse it, dude. Try again. That's why it's like iterating every day is the most fun part of building things. The last point says real advantage is low protection, clear thinking, unfiltered by, in my experience, hey, young readers use this window now or leave punishing environments before it narrows. Oh my god. So uh, let's take a break from here. Let's push it back. This agent was where it all started. Now I have the second version of this agent, which I built yesterday. I will find the link from my architect.new, the platform I built my agent yesterday. And this platform is also like incomplete for me. uh, Agents are deployed. What was that? So I don't have credits to use this platform anymore, which is a great part maybe. Because um, I don't even know how many credits I had when the moment I started. So it's like, oh no. So um, where do we go from here? Architect Studio, my agents. Yes, I have an agent from yesterday. Why there are two, I don't know. Okay, so this agent takes the transcription, the captions of one, basically. Wait a second. Why don't I have it like on a page? Anyway, point is, so it takes my you everyday live videos caption manually as an input, filters it through the checklist, and gives me like anchors me towards my goal. So it's like the building the foundation of my my project, right? And it is about like 4 months in. I'm still building the foundation. Oh my god. Anyway, uh, it worked yesterday and it gave me a score. Hey, let me look at the history. Da-da-da. No, 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 no. How do I see the live page? It has deployed, right? So let me. I wanted to preview, not just preview. I want to look at the page. Oh no, open app. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So this is the app. Uh, 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 oh my god, dude! Can you log in? Can you? Uh, there was a password. I okay. I swear there was a password. And there's a database. Wait. So yesterday there was a database. Okay. Who created this second user? It was created maybe like the oh, the system created it itself. What is this? Like, can I copy the password? This is stupid. The password copying, it doesn't work like this, right? So I'm going to extractions. There was one extraction. There was a lot of things there. Then there are users, weekly summaries. Oh, why is there no weekly summary? No, it has been only one day, right? Okay. I still want to look at the app and I want to log out from here because I want to copy the password. I want to actually see it on that. Dude, uh, it's a sign in screen. You have the password. Give me the password. Give me the password. It wasn't like this yesterday. So I submitted the link on some LinkedIn tweet as well. I'm not able to verify the link, but it was probably this one only. Anyway, if I sign in here, it doesn't show me what I'm looking for, and I should be able to sign in. Damn it! It shows me some. So there is something I'm not able to proceed through. But again, now today, if I have to, or like, um, what would be the next ideal step? There's a term in Salesforce ecosystem. What is that? Next best action, NBA, and I don't understand that term yet. Hmm. I'm like I learned I got the gist of it few long time ago. Then I didn't get back to it yet. And this is just a preview, right? It's not the account. Oh no, Yeah, this is the outcome. Yeah, I was like looking at from yesterday. Although it's not showing me the whole outcome from yesterday, but the point is, it gave me a score like, yeah, I'm drifting, and this is what I was looking for. So my current agent tells me that if I'm drifting from my goal. Okay, so I want to publish this link, but even I'm not able to log into my account, and there's no forget password. Hey, uh, uh, which is okay. Important part is oh, I built an agent yesterday, so there was a progress. Today is the like important part is reflecting upon what I built. And the question, like I started for this session today, you are underestimating the importance of discipline, right? So if I'm drifting, it's discipline issue, right? So I published this link here. Oh, I hit the shit. I sent a preview link. It's like preview is not for everyone, right? But anyway, would I be able to sign in on preview? Oh, I have it. So if I do it on a, I think I did test yesterday as well. Preview link is like still a valid app link. It's okay. Yes, sorry. Um, Goal alignment and execution mirror. Oh my god, I built this. So this agent. So I want to like publish this page now on Twitter thread. Na aye pana na kona ही है तेरा नाम जाने क्यों होना ही है. Okay, so but so I want to drift. I mean, drift is like a, can I say, is an important part of building things, building beautiful, sustainable, long-term things. I I want to say that very strongly and tough format. It's like, yeah, dude, I do. Oh, see, I searched for something a few minutes ago, right? So Mr. Sidhu published it in a, the term just failed. Disciplined, that was the term I was looking for. This is the note I want to emphasize. If you are less disciplined than your agent, the slop is 100% your fault. I mean, again, everything comes down to discipline. So I gave myself a challenge. Where was that challenge? Where is that challenge? Wow. My funnels are like not yielding yet, I know. And it's okay. It's like, it's okay, buddy. Oh, where is my thread? Where is my thread? Okay, yeah. So, So this is the point where I felt the need for this agent. Today is day 24. Uh, it took me about 3 days to build the first version with Lizer. Lizer helped me build this agent. So I think I'm going to publish that thought. This brilliantly designed platform helped me visualize what I was dreaming 3 days ago. So I'm using Whisperflow and it's a great tool. Oh no, I don't know how to find Lizer on my Twitter feed or LYZR, dude. Oh, dude. Is that the right spelling? Like, what is the spelling of Lizer, dude? LYZRAI. Oh no. Okay, it's underscore underscore AI. So I'll relax a bit. It's the session is going long, and this is the part that excites me about building. So when I'm building, when I'm in the flow, it's like it's I go into depth and I venture into tangents and I come back to the point. Then I venture into tangents and like feeling like the indisciplined, stupid asshole. But I come back to the point, and that's the important part of building. If you are doing it alone, because with the team, they're like with the people who are, if they are not able to drift with you and that come back and like build, they will not be able to like work at the frequency you might be operating on. Just finishing it. Okay. Oh, I want to expand. Now the memory management thing is coming into like, dude, uh, I want to delete this again because edited post doesn't feel like a complete thing. It doesn't feel. The feeling is like the part which separates us from agents. So do you feel things, boy? Okay. There's just something that I wanted to add to this thought. And what was that? This agent helps me realize if I'm drifting from my goal and how much, and document the process I'm following I still wish to iterate on the top of it to update my templates and take care of my to-do list and check and mark the items that are finished and do a lot of things that I need to do manually today every day. So probably I'm not going to experiment more with Lizer, but with something more open like ChatGPT or Cloud or Gemini. Yeah, that's the point. Yes, I want to state it out loud very clearly, and that's the thought. Like, why? If someone asks me why, I'm not biased towards Lizer. It's like a it gives me a feeling of a constrained ecosystem or thought process that is not open. That's not open source. Okay, but yesterday it built a beautiful. Okay, wait. I still want to add one more thing to this preview. That is, and I hope my live stream is like working as expected. So I can actually use this probably. My point: if I submit yesterday's caption on this again, would this give me better like score? Or yes, let's see. Test the review with an input, with a real input. Okay, so I'll go to Studio again. I just copied. I want to add it here. Yay! Okay. This is like slow evolution of execution of things. I'll skip a lot of other things and so I'll cut the windows like slowly and come down to very minimum. This is the okay. This is the day where we are working today, and I want to like draft the elements for tomorrow because again drift is like if I have to drift always it doesn't make sense, right? I need to really anchor towards my goal, and the drifting is the not an ideal method of doing things, right? So oh no, that is a title. uh, Day 39. I want my agent to take care of these things, and it's like so that I can focus more on what I do best, like think out loud, right? So currently I don't have an agent. I had tried Notion AI. It almost worked, but it resists. It confines me in a way to like start the meeting every time on I start going live on carefully on Notion app, which consumed a lot of memory on my machine, which hanged a lot of processes. I could not do other things, and I could still do it on phone, but again, it constraints. So I don't. So I'm the way that in the direction I'm moving in. is more of a is very clearly the direction that I want to take, because no, I don't want constraint like, dude, every day you'll record your session on Notion Android app. No, dude, this is not the thing that frees me. It just confines me, right? So I want to automate that all. Notion meeting notes taker is not the uh, great solution, and I came to phone to actually view it from phone. Like what exact how my live live broadcast is working, like visible to the others. Okay, so I have it. I must have it right here. Okay, now tags. Am I focused on specialist certification? No. Am I focused on OpenGlaw? No. Am I focused on support agent? Building challenge bilaser. So this was the yesterday's thing. I'm now back to support agent, right? So, and I want to copy the to-do list from my before day before yesterday. Actually, wait. Here I have the to-do list. Okay, okay. Process to be followed by the agent. So I have been documenting this lot of things. Right? I want to copy this like manually for the moment. I want my agent to do this, and I don't have an agent yet. I'm going to delete the unwanted elements. These are the things that I want. I need my agent to follow very clearly. Post session checklist. Yes, this is another. This is valid element only until tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last day for this challenge. So this may not be required. Okay. Execution template. I still want to expand on this template too much, but I'm not able to. So if I'm doing it manually every day, what happens is that I'm stuck in managing the template. It's like I making the minute upgrades that I don't really need to do manually, right? If I understand so-called artificial intelligence, I understand my agents built on the raw intelligence should be able to take care of what I want, right? Now I'm copying my to-do list, and I want to add some elements for tomorrow. I must. This is something that I didn't follow today, yesterday, right? And I need to take some. Wait a second. So this is again element of drift, but I will download the caption from yesterday's live stream. Yay! I didn't do the thumbnail also. So manually also I need to do a thumbnail every day, and it's like, dude, manually. Why do I have manually anymore? No, I don't. I stopped doing the things I uh, figure out that yeah, this is this an agent can take care of that. Stop doing it. Don't do the things that agents can. Okay, so I was here to download the subtitles, and so thought MVP will not be able to take my exported file from YouTube. So I still need to open that in Notepad and then copy that. But it's okay. The things I'm doing are like part of the learn. Oh, where did I just down? Oh, come on. Which is the latest? Must be, yeah. I'm gonna copy the caption. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna going to see what it tells me. Extract and score. This is not the right extraction I am looking for, but it's like almost okay. I know I need to iterate on it to make it more. useful to at least me. And I think it extraction may take some long time. So I'll leave it here. I'll leave it here, and I will leave it here, and I will see what it is. So yesterday I think I took some step, but I don't really remember. That is why we have history. Yes, I didn't proceed to this. It gave me options. Oh my god. We are not building yet. Let me think. Let me think. Python. So this is not the chat I wish to proceed with. Mashuk Varebi, Gayal Hadra Divana Baiwa. I'm not able to find the chat. And the sad part is I cannot move these chats to my projects. That is why sometimes working with chat GPT sucks. So I want to find the root of this chat. Oh no. Yesterday, the branch and the agent for goal alignment. I think this is the yeah, this is the agent. This is the conversation I was looking for. So the link on that chat, I think I need to update on my Notion as well. Let me verify what I was if I was looking for this one, and I need to build the MVP still because it's not there yet, right? I cannot. I don't want to pay to Liza to do it for me. It confines me. It confines me. Yes, and that is my very strong opinion. I don't really. Am I sure about what I'm saying? I don't know. But no, Lizer is not the choice I want to go with right now. Okay, so oh my god, this was my recent message, and today I want to scan through its last response, then take a step forward. Because discipline, like if I'm not drifting, I should be following from what I where I stopped yesterday, right? And to to actually do that, the agent should give me a lot more than like previous conversations summary, right? Like it's not even a summary, it's a long message. Lock your system, design MVP, give your first version, immediate codex ready thinking. Of course, ChatGPT will prefer codex. Hard reality, everything is an artifact. No, this is a great part I also appreciated day before yesterday is that it pushes back. I mean, it doesn't just validate what I think out loud in a stupid way. Oh, and I have still not built the second brain that Carpathy, Mr. Andres Carpathy suggested, but I will do that sometime soon. Not everything is an artifact. It's okay. Level 0 noise, level 1 learning, level 2 work in progress, level 3 is artifact, level 4 is revenue. So I want to do that. Level 4. Your system now defined clean. A daily execution control system, yes, not a to-do manager, right? It's a control system, right? It's a very control system. It's a me time, core loop every day, video transcription, extraction, classification, alignment, report, notion. Yes, that is the correct loop I wish to build. So this is a scoring actually need, the agent actually need. This is not complex. If you overbuild, you will delay execution. I am doing that. I am delaying execution at the moment. Yes. MVP4 component only. MVP equal to 4 components only. Transcript fetcher, parsing agent, alignment engine, notion writer, And this was all that was done by Lizer, architect. Wow. Okay. So prompt design. Okay. Your job. Extract all explicit tasks. Extract implicit tasks. Identify learning, building ICP iteration, interaction. Detect any artifact created. May have to define architect or artifacts as well. Return tasks. Oh, so this was the thing that was missed by my. Oh, see, we have it here, right? Oh, okay. I'm still drifting. It's this. It doesn't give me a to-do list, which was very clear in my documents. I believe so. If I open the 33-page document I submitted to Lizer yesterday, this is the document, and I will try to find the keyword task, or maybe go to the last message. Oh my god. No, it doesn't have that expected output. What is that? Is this not the right input? So I didn't feed the right information. I can accept that. Agent 2, alignment engine, you are strict execution evaluator, fine. Agent 3 is summary generator, notion schema. Okay, is that then agent simple? No overthinking, okay. MVP build plan, do this first. You said codex later, fine, but you need something running, right? I know that. Manual efforts, okay. Automation light, that's the later part, right? Iteration layer, we'll do it later. Critical pushback, everything is important. You own philosophy. My own philosophy says artifacts precede trust. Trust precedes revenue. So the revenue is the goal. We need to build artifacts. So yesterday there was a very clear artifact. I mean, I don't know if it if it considered that. If it considered that, it doesn't. Let's look at the artifact section. Right, it has something. Built and partially deployed a multi-agent system on architect.new, consistent of a caption. So why is it like score only 4 then? It is a real artifact, dude. And I cannot even question this agent. Why are you saying I drifted? Hmm? I cannot question. Can I question? I wish I could question. Whoa. Yeah, I understand this is a part that is weak. If I try to look at the trends or data, I want to look at the 2 days scores. So 24 April is this. Where is my 25? Where is the other data? Like, where is the other data? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, this is the reasoning, and I don't want to expand on it right now. Wow, change none yet. This week 52, last week 52. Oh no, just shut it, bro. Just shut it. Okay, excuse me. I think I need some water. So, what did you think? What did you explore? Daily question? Okay, that's not the right question. What did you produce that someone else can use? This was the thing that I was supposed to do yesterday, and I should have done today at least. That is, take transcription, run parser prompt manually. Which is the prompt I need to follow? So let's run that now, right? So let's run the parser prompt from here. Oh my god. Okay, where do I need to run this parser prompt? And transcript of a live build session. Do I need to do it on Codex or ChatGPT conversation? Where should I run this parser prompt? Should I do it on Codex or my custom GPT where I am actually doing this thinking out loud and building the foundation of my dream? That's how I talk. Someone recently said, "You talk like ChatGPT boy." Neither. What you should do very clearly, run it in a clean, separate ChatGPT thread. Why not custom GPT? Your custom GPT too polluted with context. Why not Codex? Okay. This why is the best part of maybe ChatGPT. But you are still in system definition, behavior calibration. If you jump to Codex, you will start optimizing pipelines. Hey, of course, makes sense. Before validating what the pipeline should even do, that's if you jump to this. Okay, that's how you build a clean system that tracks the wrong thing. I don't want to do the wrong thing, right? So, like every action of my project or my do doing is more of a is more of a grounded thing into reality that every action should be anchored towards my long term goal, that is generate $1 million, right? This goal, right? And I should be like, I know I should be walking backwards from my goal as well. And I don't really understand my target customer profile very well yet. So this is like another part of me that wants to evolve into, because my positioning is not where it should be. I need to evolve. That is why I am anchoring, but I'm building the foundation where I. Oh, why are you slipping? Okay, let's just do it. This is the part. Oh no, where is my parser prompt? And I have not read the this parser prompt like very well. So now I am attaching my recent caption and see what it how it works. Let's read through this. No, your job extract all explicit tasks. Do only just a simple shit. So if you run parser there, it will understand you. Where? Why not your custom GPT? Okay, it will fill gaps. It will hallucinate intent. I understand. You don't want understanding. You want strict extraction. Yes, yes. But understanding is like also the part of me. I wa- I need this to work. I need humans to talk to as well. So there was a thought that came to my head just before this session, I would say. I want to see it on my phone as well.
I want to see it on my.
Yes, it works. Okay. Now the point is, da-da-da. Okay. True. Where was I? It has given me the outcome. What something I was looking for. Let's look at it. This is the JSON task. Publish live stream link before proceeding this session. Post Twitter thread. Maintain and update a to-do list for tracking. Build progress. Implicit tasks. Created a structure to-do management system to daily for daily execution. Define what is being built. Document daily progress. Wow. Fixing inconsistency in live session. Oh my god. Ensure alignment between public commitment and execution behavior. Artifacts. Public live session. Twitter thread. Thumbnail for session. SRT transcription file. To-do list. I I think my I need to expand on the definition of my term artifacts. Maybe learning struggled with consistency in showing up at committed time. Yes, I'm still struggling, and you may, but I still want. So that was the question of the session, dude. Dear agent builder, you are underestimating the importance of discipline. Like embrace the thought. This is like a question to myself. I am underestimating the importance of discipline. So that's invited people on Twitter to join daily live sessions, created a live challenge to engage audience on at fixed time. Yes, that's still there, but I think I'm going to ditch this challenge because I'm losing my sleep at this time, and this time is not the right time. So um, yes, I will ditch this from tomorrow. I'll do it by the daytime. Daily YouTube live build session, Twitter thread documenting the challenge session. Because by the daytime I can use more time as well. Maybe I'll do it early morning because I'm building, right. I'm taking baby steps, but I'm proceeding in a direction that I wish to, and I'm anchoring every action in a direction that builds the foundation, then enables me to build faster and learn faster. So if you want to push this further, this is where it gets interesting. Your system is currently context first, execution second. This is a risky inversion. You are broadcasting the journey visualizing the execution engine. Counterpoint to consider: are you building an agent or performing the act of building publicly? Interesting question there. If your goal is serious agentic system, then the next evolution is convert this extract JSON into a machine ingestible pipeline Notion DB agent memory. Yes, I want to do that. Want me to turn it into daily auto parser prompt plus schema that plugs into your agent system. It sounds incomplete, so let me take a step back from this conversation. And it was saying like run the thing, then what? Run parser prompt. Then what? Run alignment prompt. Okay. So we'll now run the alignment prompt. And where is the alignment prompt? Let's take a look. Classify all activities into noise, learning, score, da 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 da. Determine. Was there at least one artifact output score? I think I can copy like this, and I will do it in a new prompt. New, oh, wait. So I think I will have to copy. Okay, this shouldn't be like this, right? Let's have a new page and let's just publish. You are an execution evaluator, and I need to. Oh, wait, no. Input parsed execution data. I think I will have to do it with the help of a. I don't even know what do we call this. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here and I'll run this prompt. So this is like its name is alignment engine, right? Like do not drift. I could have drifted from here, convert this into this and do that. Score is 24. Artifact present yes. Revenue signal present false. No, yeah, it's true that the signal is not present, so it's false. Drift analysis. Execution shows consistent artifact production. Dude, why are you like this? Let me read it. Shows consistent artifact production and strong ICP facing activity via public content and invitation. However, there is no observable revenue linked action, no monetization attempt of a validation conversion, significant internal focus or discipline structure and process indicates energy spent on meta execution rather than direct value capture. Risk prolonged loop of building, reflecting without testing willingness to pay. So this is the part of me that should break some pattern that I accept this thing here. So I'll feed it into. I'll branch a conversation from here. This is not important. This is not important. So its name is. I want to remember this part. Its name is. So the real conversation's name is Agent for Goal Alignment, right? And I'm going to branch from here to do something drifting, right? It's like drifting is allowed in my system. Drifting is like a necessary element of me doing things. Da-da-da. So, like necessary part, it's the anchoring, right? I need to anchor. Let's look at the drift and let's figure out ways to test willingness to pay, right? So it's like I understand. I need to. I understand the response that will be that reach out to the right people, to the people you want to work with, right? But what the decisions I need to make here is like important part. Is it a branch? Is it a branch? Yes, it's a new branch from here. It doesn't even have a name here. Anyway, let's start. So now I want to talk. Technically, I'm still building the foundation of pitching to the ideal customers, but it may be an excuse. I understand that. Should have a strong pitch and uh, real conversation with the ICP to iterate carefully into what I am to actually focus on the revenue, right? So these agent building activities are like necessary for learning. I understand. I've never built a real agent for someone. I'm building the foundation of building agents. So uh, I'm learning to build agents. I understand how to ask the right questions, and that is the thing that should get out. Like agent building is the very much later part of actually building an agent. When someone asks for an agent, they need to know what they are asking for. So I should be like help should be able to help them, and there are millions that need me today. The whom I can help actually generate millions. So this is where the response from Mr. Evans comes in. This one. What do these customers of yours do? What is the mechanism by which they would earn an additional $1 million? And I don't have an answer to this question, like very clearly. And that is what I want to find out. Like now, I have been dramatic, but I wanted to speak too in my true. It's not Ivan, it's Ivan, I think. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. So today is the day when I don't know is not an option. I don't know used to be a valid option free AI. Today, if I don't know, if I say I don't know, it's like, no, I'm not trying. Today, I cannot even say I don't know. I don't know simply means I'm not trying yet. So I don't know yet, maybe an answer is an answer that puts me into the right direction. I just published that thought. Okay. Now let's shut that page. Now, this open thinking with like ChatGPT is the thing that I am now like I'm using it as my thinking partner. It says good. This is the first real crack in the system, and it's exactly where the leverage is. That's the goal. I wish to create a leverage. Let me direct. You don't have a building problem. You have a mechanism definition problem. Oh my god, this is a very, very long answer. Why it gives me so long answers? It takes me long time to digest all that. But it's good too. It's like that's why we call it, or I can say I can call it a real thinking partner. It has done a lot of thinking for me, and now I can use that all thinking, the intelligence, the text generated by this so-called artificial intelligence. Why do I call it so-called artificial intelligence? Is 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 funny. I don't know. You don't have a building problem, okay? You have a mechanism definition problem, okay? You said I don't have an answer to how they make this is not a small gap, okay? This is the core missing variable in your entire system. Oh my god. From your own chapter 21, you have already defined urgency to generate revenue, structure experimentation, target ecosystem, okay? But what's missing? Concrete economic loop. Let's make this uncomfortable. Learn, build, publish, reflect. What's missing? Capture value. Your drift analysis is correct. Prolonged loop of building, feeling confidence, and business busyness are never valid signals. Okay, okay, it's trying to embarrass me. Now we fix the actual problem. You don't need a better agent yet. You need a revenue hypothesis per ICP. Oh, Ivan, question we answer now. What do these customers do? How do they make $1 million? We don't philosophize this. We define three concrete ICPs. Hiring managers? No. Build products faster, hire better talent. Where your agent fits. Better confident matching. No, this is not I'm doing right now. Job seekers, PM engineers? No. Founders, operators? No. Okay. How they make money? Build teams, execute faster, reduce chaos. Where your agent fits. I don't have an agent that fits into any of these. Internal workflows, hiring operational agents, revenue angle. Yes, now the real issue. You are currently doing. So I need to internalize this part. How my ICP makes money. They build teams, they execute faster, they reduce chaos. Real issue. Build agent, then find use. No. Build your system requires, but your system requires business problem, then artifacts. Okay. This is the inversion you must make. Before building anything, you must answer if this works, how does someone make money? Your current idea, job conversion. Oh, this is not the agent. So this is the part where my custom GPT is filling the gaps. I don't want it to. If someone uses your system, how do they earn more money? You need this level of clarity. This agent reduces hiring time. Okay. You're trying back to agent system, new field, who pays, how they make money, your current system accurate. Strong philosophy, strong exploration, early artifact building, unclear revenue mechanism. Now I will build, guide you, pick one ICP, then answer on video. Wow, it said on video. Who exactly are they? How do they currently make money? Where are they losing money? How can an agent improve that? Then say that this sentence. If I solve this, they will pay me because. Oh my god. Important alignment with your philosophy. So this is the actual part, like anchoring of my system, where I need my agent to question me, my direction, my thoughts, and be very specifically like talk to me like this, like ask answer this question. Who exactly are they? Who's my ICP? So from the day my agents are able to take care of the documentation, um I will be able to focus more on talking to my ICP, and that is very clear, right? I want to follow that ideal state, but today I want to like still do it in a baby steps format, or as they say, slow is smooth, boy, smooth is fast. This is the first real artifact. Okay, you're stupid. Important alignment with your philosophy. Alignment requires mutual intent, operational readiness. Your intent, build agents, ICP intent unknown. Hey, no alignment possible yet. That is the right thing to say. Push, no comfort. There are millions that need me. This is stupid. Doesn't requires one person who pays. Yes, is correct. Problem is incompatible. Your problem is not compatibility. Your problem is missing economic map. Oh, come on. So I'll answer the question now. My ICP is a leadership in the Salesforce ecosystem or the founding members of a $1 million startup, not just $1 million startup. So I want to put a number there. If someone needs to build like generate additional $1 million in the rest of the year, let's say 6 months, right? So today we are sitting on this mm, month four. I mean, I want to have a timeline to this, right? So I must be able to find someone by tomorrow, the best case scenario, who's looking for me to enable them to optimize their funnels and build their systems, and at least already generate $10 million in last 1 year of execution, right? So I must also put a trend from the back of like that. So it's like even if it was stagnant, let's say $10 million every year, even if it is um going down a bit or rising a bit, right? But at least a $10 million in last 1 year is my customer. Hmm? And how? It's like that is the funnel that I intend to operate at. That is the scale of the operations and the philosophy of execution I wish to operate at. Right now, let's look at the next question. How do they currently make money? The question is answered clearly by uh, previous responses that they build teams, they execute faster, they reduce chaos, and they could be making anything or anything out of anything, right? So it could be a hardware startup, it could be a operation startup, an education tech startup, yes. And there are strong reasons that I wish to get into education tech startups, but again, that's a part of the ICP. So my ICPs are um, leadership in the Salesforce ecosystem and the founding team. I would prefer Salesforce. It's more structured, but the universe is open. So I want to keep founders from various economies. Okay. The next question is 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 where are they losing money? Operations, automation is where I'm coming in, right? Analyzing data, putting things into picture, asking questions, optimizing their funnels, building systems from scratch, experimentation. It could be anything. It could be a lot, and it could be. very strongly in the Salesforce ecosystem. Like they have a team, they have a system, they have a an execution, but the but there is something in the agent force that they are not able to crack, or they are already cracking, but they need a thinker like me. How can an agent improve that? So, or agent can automate a lot of manual processes, and I'm not talking about hiring agents anymore. So I'll be very specific. So don't assume the previous hypothesis that we are still building that hiring agent. I'm talking about me as a service. I'm talking about uh, my first useful real world agent on the top of Salesforce technology. That is the agent that only describes the project through documentation. And how is that agent helping? Could how that agent could help someone generate an additional $1 million? Is that um, that fits into a lot of funnels. So I will figure out. I still need to think where that agent fits, but it's broadly me as a service. So I'm talking about myself. Uh, my ICP. I understand. I need to talk to my ICP. So let's get into the depth of my ICP from Salesforce ecosystem, and I will start again reaching out in more careful ways. Like let's say just from tomorrow. Okay. So I will, or today, right? Today is 25th of April. It's about 1 a.m. I'm going to shut this session today, and I will do it in a moment. I want to send this message, and I'll proceed from there. Wow, learning and building live is like a great part of me that is telling me, like, dude, why is it still, oh, split screen on screen? It should not be like this. Oh, wow. Anyway, that is where technology fails, or it's not showing the live part. Hey, no. Yes, okay. So there is an output, but I don't want to scan through it today at least. No. I branched from here, so I will continue from here tomorrow. Branch. There are a lot of branches. There's great naming there, and this drift I copied here just to read. It was a raw conversation. I'll just finish it. Not delete. Do not delete. So that's all for today. That's me. That's how I build. That's how I think, and that's me um, talking to the camera every day, building in public. It's like I'm building on the top of my own prophecy. My poem. I recall that I want to read it from my blog home. That is, da-da-da, from patterns to possibilities to prophecy. Uh, I see some viewers on my YouTube dashboard. So it would probably be helpful to say this is what I wanted to showcase, not this. the poem I wrote. I'm building on the top of my own thesis, my own prophecy, my own structure of my brain. So, the title of today's video, again, I still want to read it from my phone. You are underestimating the importance of discipline. And that's the part of me. I understand I need to be more disciplined in building. Um, and that is where I'm building agents to help me be more disciplined because there's a part of me that needs to drift as well. That's why this $1 million consistency partner came into picture because you know um, I needed some help to let me focus on the important parts of learning and building so that the agents will be able to take care of the the mundane things that humans need to do. So I think I stopped doing the things that I realize my agents can do. Are you doing that? If you're not doing that, it's like no, doing it right. So I, I may be slow. I may be. Oh, actually, I'm slow. I'm a slow thinker and builder, but I'm a persistent builder. I don't stop. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for being there. We'll see you soon tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll do it not at this time of the day. I need to take care of my sleep as well now. See ya tomorrow.